Yo, dude, it's me, White Liger 9. I changed my username. I changed my name to something else because I'm not supposed to be putting my own name. And by the way, I have a fidget spinner, and I can do it without looking at it and doing something else. Hold on. I just gotta put it on my finger. Okay.
Like,
watch.
I got rejected.
Let me spin it. Let me just spin it. Hold on, let me spin it. Watch this. Oh, that's an epic fail.
I know I'm
Hold on. Hold on.
No, because then I would have been dead. Almost got a meal.
Ta-da! Thank you.
Yeah. In GTA.
Watch this. Oh. Let me do that again. One more time.
Okay, so you're obviously do not speak black people language. It means $1 million. Yeah.
That's a trick of fidget spinner. If you want to try that too, then just go to the store and buy one. Just like me.
I got $1 million.
And by the way, don't forget to buy a fidget spinner. Do the same trick as me. Later.